Okay, sir.
Yeah, please read. 321.
So 321. What does maturity mean in banking? So maturity is the date on which the life of a transaction or financial instrument ends, after which it must be either be renewed or it will cease to exist.
Mm. Continue.
And 322 define cash adequacy ratio. Uh, capital adequacy
It should be capital adequacy
capital
ratio.
adequacy ratio. Right,
Mm.
sir. So the capital adequacy ratio is the ratio of bank's capital in relation to its risk-weighted assets and current liabilities.
Good. Continue.
And what are exchange traded funds? An exchange traded fund or an ETF is a collection of securities that you can purchase or sell on a stock market through brokerage company.
Yes.
Uh, what does forward contract means? It is a contract between the bank and its customer in which the exchange or conversion of currencies would take place at a future date at the rate of exchange in advance under the contract.
Yes. Continue.
Uh,
No, 1 minute. What is
huh,
loan to value ratio?
what is loan to value ratio? The loan to value ratio is a financial term used by the lenders to express the ratio of a loan to the value of an asset purchased.
Mm.
What is meant by prepaid payment instrument (PPI)? The prepaid payment instrument are methods that facilitate the purchase of goods and services against the value stored on such instrument. Example: smart cards, online accounts, online wallet, strip cards, and papers. What does return on equity signify? The return on equity signifies how good the company is generating returns on the investment it received from its shareholders. Uh, so, what is strategic debt restructuring? RBI strategic debt restructuring scheme allows bank that have provided loans to businesses and other entities to convert a portion of their uh,
Total
yes.
outstanding.
So I'll start as
No, no. Total outstanding loan amount and interest to a high majority stake in business. Now,
majority stake in business. Yes,
yeah, what is 329?
320. When will the VRR be undertaken? The variable rate reverse repo (VRR) is usually undertaken to reduce the money flow by taking out the existing cash present in the system.
Correct.
Sir, is it same? Sir, is
No,
it
but
same as the reverse
same as
repo rate?
reverse repo, but now it is not in use. It is because now the
Okay.
economy is in a very tight position. There are no
Right. Right.
funds in the banks now. Banks are borrowing heavily. Continue.
Okay. What is the role of credit information companies? The Credit Information Company, sometimes known as CIC, is an independent third party organization that collects and makes available to its members financial data about individuals, including information on loans, credit cards, and other items.
Continue.
Uh, these people's financial information is gathered by a credit card issuer, which subsequently creates a credit report based on their prior financial activity. The credit report is essentially essential because it helps bank and other financial institutions to determine whether to approve loan or credit card application from the applicant based on their credit worthiness.
Continue.
What is supply chain finance in banking? Supply
Mm.
chain finance is a set of technology enabled business and financial process that provides flexible payment options for a buyer uh, on of their one of their suppliers at lower financing cost.
Continue.
What is account aggregator? The account aggregator, also known as AA, is a non-banking finance company (NBFC) governed by the RBI, which makes it easier for the customers to give their consent for collecting of their financial information from financial information providers.
Mm, yeah, next.
Yes, sir.
What number for
Uh,
333?
333. What is known as social stock exchange?
Mm,
SSC is meant to serve the private and non-profit organization,
mm,
and will help them in raising funds through exchange.
mm. Yeah,
Uh,
oh, acha,
Sir,
acha. This
what is
this
it
girl will
used, sir?
1 minute. This girl will not come because her interview is already over.
Oh, oh,
She has
oh,
already
okay.
attended the interview and she has given the questions also to us.
Oh,
They have
oh,
already been given to us.
okay, okay, got it, sir.
Mm, doesn't matter. Now, what did you ask?
No, sir, I was asking like about social stock exchange because I haven't heard about it.
This I have also not heard. Social stock exchange means it's meant to serve private and non-private sectors and will help them raising funds. I think it refers to Bombay Stock Exchange only, something like that.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Continue.
Got it.
What is budget?
Uh, what is known as a budget? A budget is a spending plan based on income and expenses. Uh,
Okay.
what what is gross national product?
Mm,
GNP. Gross national product (GNP) is a measure of the value of all goods and services produced by a country's resident and businesses.
okay.
Uh, what is net national product? Net national product is the monetary value of finished goods and services produced by a country's citizen overseas and domestically in a given period.
Okay.
What is an electronic gold receipt (EGR)? Electronic gold receipts are similar to dematerialized forms of shares, where they are issued in exchange for physical gold, similar to the physical form of equity share.
Yeah. Good. What is the next one? Electronic bank guarantee.
Yes. Yes, sir. What is electronic bank guarantee (EBG)? An electronic bank guarantee (EBG) is a substitute for paper-based guarantees. It can be processed, stamped, verified, and directly delivered instantly, compared with the time consuming paper-based process.
Mm. So one
What do you
one
mean
minute.
by?
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Another boy is coming. Just I will.
Yes.
I have asked him to come.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Yeah. Just a minute,
Yes, sir.
please come. Let him come. Your equity. This one 339. You are completed, na?
No,
340.
sir. 339 I'll to complete.
Acha. Please
Equity
read.
share is left. Yeah. What do you mean by equity shares? Equity shares represent the extent of ownership in a company.
Mm,
And, what is dividend payout ratio? The dividend payout ratio is the ratio of total amounts of dividend in proportion to the net income of the company.
okay.
What is
Dividend. Sorry. What is known as
known as
public-private partnership?
public-private partnership?
Mm,
The public-private partnership (PPPs) are mechanism for the government to procure, implement public infrastructure or
mm.
services using the resources and expertise of the private sector.
Yeah,
What do you
1 minute.
mean by?
He
Yes.
is asking. This fellow is asking for a link now.
Okay.
Very bad. Uh, see what to do. Just a minute.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This fellow's number is 7025. 7025. Yeah. Now again, we will continue with what we were reading. Yeah, we are
Yes, sir.
here. I think I have given you
Devaluation.
this. What do you
340.
mean by devaluation? Please read.
Devaluation. Devaluation is an official decrease in currency's exchange value through a decrease in its gold equivalent or value in relation to another currency.
343.
343. What is known as a basis point? It is the unit of measure used in finance to describe percentage change in the value of financial instruments or rate change in an index or other benchmark.
Okay, continue.
What is known as microfinance? Microfinance is a way to provide capital to low-income business owners who may be excluded from traditional credit or lending options.
Continue. What is
What
reinvestment?
is reinvestment? Reinvestment is a process of using money received for an received from from an investment such as dividend, interest, or any other type of income distribution to buy more stocks or units of the company.
Sufficient. We'll stop
Yes,
with this. We'll
yes,
do
sir.
it afterwards.
Got it, sir. Got it.
Yeah.